Hey guys, we're back. Obviously by myself at the moment. Kobe is in Walmart getting some things that he's going to need, which I'm about to explain. The very exciting news. Kobe got a motorcycle and I am so excited for him, and I know he's super excited, but right now he's just getting the things that he's going to need to be able to strap the motorcycle to bring it back to our place. And we're pretty much gonna see you guys there. I will say hopefully the place that we're getting the motorcycle from will let us vlog or record. If not, I will do my best and just kind of take little videos or snippets of what I can, and then obviously we'll pop in and out of kind of saying whatever. But I'll let Kobe talk to y'all and say what he wants to say. I know he's super excited, which just makes me happy for him. So yeah, see you soon. Hi.
We're gonna go get a motorcycle and we're gonna ride.
Is that how you feel?
That's how I feel.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Motorcycle.
Well, tell him what kind of motorcycle you got.
I got a 2021 Kawasaki ZX6R.
Yeah.
Monstrosity.
You said okay. All right, we'll see you soon. And a few bit, you'll be riding your...
I'm gonna go vroom vroom.
You're not gonna go vroom vroom. Hi, Jason.
Yo, give me a monster.
There's Rem, our friend. What do you think, baby boy? So tell us, mister, how do you feel?
So goated.
You feel what?
Goated.
Goated?
Yeah.
Welcome to the family. Oh my goodness, that was loud.
You just can't go, baby.
He's still parking the truck. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's here. 2021 Kawasaki ZX6R. All stock, brand new off the lot. Got like 5 miles on it because I put those miles on it. But yeah, nothing really special to show off other than the bike itself.
Yay! Jason's like, I don't know what to think.